5 plus 3 gives us 8. And 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 16. The expression becomes 2 times 8 minus 16 divided by 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and the expression becomes 16 minus 16 divided by 8. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0, and 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority in any expression that has both multiplication and division. We move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Then we calculate the exponents. 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 16. The expression then becomes 2 times 8 minus 16 divided by 8. In this expression, we have 1 multiplication, 1 subtraction, and 1 division. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. Since multiplication and division have equal priority, we perform them from left to right, whichever comes first. In this expression, we encounter multiplication first. So we calculate 2 times 8, which gives us 16. The expression then becomes 16 minus 16 divided by 8. Next, we perform the division. 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. Finally, 16 minus 2 gives us 14, which is our final and correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.